Are you looking for an electric dirt bike that delivers serious power without breaking the bank? The ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike promises thrilling performance with impressive specs for off-road adventures. Let's dive in and see how it stacks up for riders seeking speed and range. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore the core performance parts of the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike, focusing on its motor, speed, range, and the critical systems that support your ride. The ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike is built for excitement, featuring a mid-drive motor that provides impressive power output. This bike claims speeds up to 46 miles per hour and a substantial range for off-road adventures. We examine how these critical components contribute to a thrilling and enduring riding experience. The 3,500 watt peak power and 220 Nm torque offer rapid acceleration and the ability to climb steep 35-degree off-road inclines effectively. The nitrogen-filled hydraulic dual-shock absorbers are a standout, maintaining 90% performance during high-intensity off-road use, which is critical for control. Equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes both front and rear, this bike ensures consistent and powerful stopping, even through mud, water, and sand. Overall, the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike boasts excellent core performance, delivering strong acceleration and impressive top speeds with a substantial battery range for extended rides. Next, we examine the construction quality of the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike, its safety features, and the practicalities of owning such a powerful electric vehicle. Beyond the raw performance, the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike features a reinforced steel frame designed for durability and handling. Understanding the build, safety standards, and overall value is essential for making an informed purchasing decision. We also need to consider the critical aspects of long-term ownership and compliance. The reinforced steel frame supports up to 265 pounds and is TÜV certified, indicating adherence to strict safety standards for electric bicycles. Key safety features include dual hydraulic brakes and a battery management system. However, the manufacturer explicitly advises verifying all components and local laws before riding. At this price point, the combination of a powerful motor, substantial range, and advanced suspension presents exceptional value for any electric dirt bike. While it comes with a 1-year warranty and US-based customer support, buyers must proactively verify local age and licensing requirements before operating this vehicle. While the ESKUTE offers good build quality and strong value, its ownership experience depends heavily on understanding and complying with local regulations. The ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike presents a compelling package for its price, offering strong performance, a substantial range, and advanced suspension. While the value is definitely a highlight, potential owners absolutely need to consider local regulations before purchase and verify all components are correctly installed. It delivers a solid off-road experience for those willing to do their homework on local compliance and setup.